Shortcake Fresh and Fruity Smoothies playset. And here's Strawberry Shortcake. She's very cute. She has on a cute little outfit. And her arms move. And her legs move. And she really does smell just like strawberries. She smells so good. And here is Princess Berrykins. She has a tiny little purple crown and scepter with a little strawberry on top. This playset comes with one smoothie stand, one strawberry shortcake figurine, and she smells just like strawberry. She smells really good. She has a little visor. This playset comes with a cute little blender. You just pick one of the strawberries and put the lid on the blender and press down, and you can see that strawberry spinning around in there. And that's how Strawberry Shortcake will make her smoothie. And you can also take the berries and drop them down the little chutes. And they pop out here on the bottom. Strawberry Shortcake doesn't just make smoothies, she also makes delicious strawberry ice cream. And now she is all set and ready for her first customer. And her first customer is Dora the Explorer. Dora and Boots were probably out exploring all day. Dora's thirsty. After Dora finished her smoothie, she and Strawberry Shortcake were talking. Dora was telling Strawberry Shortcake how much she loved her hair. That gave Strawberry Shortcake a great idea. She would give Dora a makeover. It looks like they're almost finished. Wow, Dora looks great as a redhead. Strawberry Shortcake did a great job with her makeover.